Yeah, they got it bumping.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Mysticale back with another video. As you can see by this title, we're gonna do a kind of unboxing of my new deck. But before we get into this, I want to show you my mask. Okay, look at this. Look, and it says Pisces. Okay, I can take it off. I'm so extra. Really? Shut up! I'm recording! Shut up! Sorry, y'all. It's my own dog. But anyway, yes. Pretty Plain Jane was nice enough to send me this mask, and it says a Pisces, and they also gave me a discount code for you guys to use. Please go check them out and get you a zodiac mask, okay? And it is a black owned business, so for those of you that just get excited to support, you know, our melanated people, feel free to feel free to go ahead and check her out and put her in information in the description box below, and I'll have it somewhere on here in this video. Okay, but before we get into this video, like what you really came here for, okay, I'm gonna need you to comment, like, share, subscribe, and I'm gonna need you to hit the notification bell. Okay, excuse me, I had to fix my lip gloss. Okay, so we are doing, I don't even want to say this is an unboxing because as you can clearly see, I took the shit out the box. This is the Sacred Self-Care Oracle deck. Like, yo, I can't remember the name of a girl. That's a girl I watched on YouTube, and she was doing like a reading, and the artwork on these cards I just fell in love with, and then it's all about self-care. Y'all know I'm all about self-care. Look at that. That's so pretty. And the artwork is pretty. I can't even look. The artwork is beautiful. Like, look at that. It is so pretty. Once I'm done talking, I'll have you know, a video showing each card and all of that, because y'all already know how I feel about, you know, when people do these videos, even though I did see a couple recently that they actually show the cards, okay? But this is the book that it comes with, and it gives you, you know, of course, a little, you know, meaning to each card. And yeah, like, I already I haven't used these yet, but I did sage these and everything and cleaned it. I didn't, so it's not like a really unboxing, but I haven't. This is my first time like shuffling them, and they passed my shuffle test. Okay. And let's see. Let me do the auto shuffle. Oh yeah. So far so good. And then when I did sage these, you know, like I cleansed them and all of that, I did really like the you know, the messages from what I was seeing. Later tonight I'm gonna play with them a little bit more, but I wanted to give my first reaction on, you know, how I shuffle them. Well, not how I shuffle, like how they shuffle and all of that type of stuff with you guys. And I also, you know, I like to share my decks with you guys so you guys can you know, get a feel for, you know, what the deck looks like. Because I know sometimes when I post stuff on my Instagram, some people be like, oh, what deck is that, and all this and that, and sometimes they'll want to see the artwork and all of that. So I make, you know, my little video. So this is going to be short. I'm not really going to be talking much because I pretty much, like, it ain't really nothing else to really unbox. I can put in the description box where I got these from. I did get these from I want to say fish pond, because every time I did try to go on Amazon, they was sold out. So I had to get these from Fish Pond. I think they in all the way in Australia. So I ordered these, I want to say in May, but they didn't get here till the beginning of this month. Yeah, the first of this month. So yeah, but I don't care, she happy. And I got new cards to do. So when I do y'all, the next time I do y'all tarot scopes, I know y'all been waiting for that. I'll be, using these cards, And that's it. I'm going to just stop talking so you guys can actually see the artwork. I'm going to just put a little disclaimer up there now. I've been painting all week, so in the video, if my hands look a little crazy because of paint or whatever, it's paint. Because I know the colors I used was brown and I look probably crazy. It's paint on my hands, okay? But thanks for watching this video. If you want to see the cards, continue watching, and that's pretty much it for this. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.